This is HonestBee B-frame making machine, top bar and bottom bar forming machine. First, we place a wood blank into the machines and feed. A pneumatic clamp securely holds the wood. The saw motors activate. In this initial pass, the machine cuts the blank to the precise length and simultaneously shapes the bevel on both ends. Once the first cuts are complete, the clamp releases and we remove the bar. We get a partially processed top bar. Then, we flip the partially processed top bar 90 degrees to prepare it for the next cutting stage. The machine is now set up for the second operation. The saws are ready. During this second pass, the machine cuts the notches into the top bar. These notches are essential for the top bar to interlock tightly and accurately with the sidebars. Now, we get the finished top bar. We can customize the machine. If you need it, please contact us now.